So the company we'll be analyzing today is ACE, that is Action Construction Equipment Limited. So as you see on the screen, these are the equipments, construction equipments that the company makes. So the forklifts, if you are bullish on the whole logistics sector, right? And this we usually call it as the JCB, to be honest, something like what we call Xerox, which should be called as photocopy, but people call it Xerox. Same way, this particular machine, if you ask a layman, right, he'll call it as a JCB. But ACE also manufactures the same machinery, and if you are bullish on the whole mining space, then this machinery is a must have. In the whole material handling space, these Hydra cranes would be used there, right? And if you are bullish on the whole real estate sector, right, because real estate is coming back in a big way, so these tower cranes are going to be of utmost importance there. Then if you are bullish on the agriculture sector, right, if you feel that the agriculture sector in the next 5-10 years is going to grow big, then you definitely need tractors. And for roads and highways and all the mining projects, definitely these machineries would be of utmost importance there. So this particular company caters to almost all the sectors which look very promising for the next 5 to 10 odd years. And if you look at ACE's history, right, so these guys have their presence in almost 100 plus countries, and just by going through the management commentary, in the next 3 to 5 years, they are planning to increase their international sales, make it to around 15 to 20% of their total sales, and they are very bullish on their domestic sales. They expect it to grow by 40-50% in the next coming few years, right? So it's a manufacturing of construction equipment since 1995, almost a 25-year-old company. So I'm sure you guys would have seen these machines, but you would not have paid attention, because I mean these yellow color machines are actually quite common near a construction site, right? And everyone thinks that these belong to JCB. So, but these are manufactured in India, an Indian company, which is actually a very small company, to be honest. So, we'll look into the fundamentals now, and then later move on to the accumulation part. Okay. So, looking at the fundamentals of this particular stock, so the market cap is around 17-1800 crores, a very small cap company. The stock P looks a little expensive as of now, right? But if you take the growth that is going to be there for the next few years, then these quality stocks are going to be a little expensive now that we are just entering the bull run, right? And the ROC is pretty impressive at 16%, and the debt to equity, hardly any debt, 0.23, is quite manageable. And PEG ratio, as I had told in the last video, right, anything below 1 is actually undervalued. So PEG ratio of 0.5 is actually a very good thing. And promoter holding, look at this promoter holding, very solid. So the promoter has confidence in his business. So that is why if you look at the promoter holding, right, they have been kind of buying stake from the market and increasing their holding as well, right? So a pretty solid company based on the fundamentals. Now we look at a few more data points. So the sales for the last 3 to 5 years is around that 14-15% mark, pretty impressive. Look at the compounded profit growth last 3 to 5 years, 50 to 60 odd percent, pretty solid there as well. And the borrowings just 100 odd crores, which is quite manageable, I feel. And cash flows are also pretty solid. And the ROC numbers, although it has come down slightly, as we know, March 2020, the sales were hit and all that. But it would be very interesting to look at the March 2021 numbers. I'm sure the ROC number will be much higher than the 20% mark. Okay, so on the fundamental thing, I would give it a thumbs up. Now let's look at the accumulation part. So just after the budget, so as you can see here, first of February, 2nd, there was solid accumulation that happened in Action Construction. So although it was hitting upper circuit, right, if you look at the delivery percentage, very solid accumulation happened here and as well as here. So pretty good accumulation happened, and currently it is trading at the support level of around 148. So the current price is somewhere near 155, but it is very near to the support of 148. So if the big guys have bought it at somewhere around here, right, then some retail investors would be very comfortable buying it at the same price where the big guys have gotten it. And some big guy also entered it around the 164 mark on this particular day. If you see the volumes here, right? So it is still getting accumulated, just moving sideways, and with maybe from the next result, because from the management commentary, I was able to sense that the numbers are going to be pretty impressive in this quarter, right? So the Q4 numbers are going to be very strong as per the management commentary. Okay, so this company can become a escorts going ahead. So if you look at escorts, right, it trades like at 10 times the valuation of Action Construction, but this is relatively cheaper if you look at the P, and ROC is also pretty impressive, no real debt. So actually, Mr. Junjunwala had invested in Escorts back in 2015-16 range. So there he was sitting on this company when it was trading around the 100 odd levels, maybe somewhere around here. 13, 14, around those time, and everyone laughed at him saying that this company does not have a future, and but he was very bullish on the whole India growth story. And this company, when it started to rise, right, from 2016 onwards, it had a huge run, and again after a small pull down, it is now again trading at something like 1400. So he has made something like 14x in the 6-7 year period. So now I'm sure no one is laughing at him. So this ACE construction, that is Action Construction, also has that solid fundamentals to become really big. And the management, if you go through the management interviews, right, they are actually quite bullish on this. So if you are also bullish on the whole India story, right, and all the sectors this particular company caters to, that is the mining, infrastructure, agriculture, and logistics, then this should be a must-have thing in your portfolio, right? So if you like this video, please do like and subscribe. I will be coming out with the new videos soon. Yeah, thank you.